Hi guys, I'll be walking you through how to do lesson 7.3 for this week. Please remember that 7.3 along with 7.1 and 7.2, they're all due by Friday at 10 p.m. If you need help, please email or email me, send me a Hangout chat, send me a text or a call. Just reach out to me and let me know. Today's agenda has 5 parts, but it's really all focused around putting your entire letter together. So remember that the summative for this unit, it was a mini unit. I know it was only 2 weeks long, but the summative is putting this letter together that you're going to send to the governor. Please remember that this is a huge part of your grade, and it is really important that you try your hardest on this so you can get a really good grade, but also so that the governor is convinced. Step 1 is watching this overview video. There is a summary of key points from last lesson here. If they don't make sense, please go back to 7.2 and either skim over it or refresh on what these terms mean. Step 2 will be to start preparing your letter. So you're going to open up Google Classroom and you are going to open 6.3, 7.1, and 7.2. So let's say that I head to Google Classroom. I'm going to go into my classwork. I'm going to find 6.3, click on the document, 7.1, click on the document, and 7.2, click on the document. When I do that, it'll open up my assignment that I submitted. And in each of these assignments is where you can find the work that you've already done for this letter. So the first thing you're going to do is read through my feedback, especially on 6.3. I probably won't make comments on the other 2 documents, but I really want you to look through my feedback on 6.3. Look at your rubric score that I gave you for that, and then edit your writing so you are at least at an 85%. Next, what you're going to do is go into lesson 6.3. You already opened it, so 6.3, open it up. And you are going to go down to this step where you have your finished paragraph. So you're going to scroll down. This is just the template, so it's not actually going to have any answers in it. But you're going to scroll down into step 4. Remember that step 4 is where you wrote this paragraph. You're going to copy it from here, from this section, and paste it right here. Then you're going to do the same things for 7.1. So you're going to open up 7.1. Scroll down to step 4 and copy your finished paragraph into here. And then you're going to go into 7.2, scroll down to step 4, and copy your paragraph here. Literally, you can just copy paste it, make some edits so that it looks nice and that it sounds professional. And then you're going to write a short introduction about yourself that you're going to use to tell the governor a little bit about who you are. So this should include your name, your age, your school, why solving the problem of severe forest fires is important to you, and anything else you think the governor should know about you. So my introduction would probably say, hello, my name is Miss Chavarria. I am 100 years old, and I am a teacher at LPS in Richmond, California. Solving the problem of severe forest fire is important to me because my mom has asthma, and it's really important that we keep our communities safe from the harmful effects of severe fires. Something like that. It can be anything that is important to you. Maybe what's important to you is having healthy forests. Maybe what's important to you is avoiding these big, scary fires. Whatever it is, tell the governor why it's important to you. And then you can also add in anything else you think he should know. So if you want to say something about how you are in 9th or 10th grade, if you want to say that you live in Richmond and the community is important to you, whatever you want to say, this is your intro paragraph to the governor. Now, in step 3, you're going to actually format your letter. So you're going to replace all of the red text with your own information. So you're going to put today's date, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email, and phone number. And then you're going to start writing in your information. So literally all you have to do is copy and paste into this little template. The first thing you're going to copy is the introduction you wrote in step 2, number 6, which is right here. So you're going to, whatever you wrote, you're going to copy it and put it in here. Same thing for paragraph 1 in step 2. So you're going to go up to step 3, copy your paragraph from lesson 6.3, and paste it into here. Then you're going to put in the 2 parts from paragraph 2, end it with, I hope to hear from you soon, and then sign it with your name. Make sure that your entire letter meets at least 85%. Hopefully all of you are able to get A's, but at the very minimum, I want your letters to be at 85%, at meeting these expectations. You're going to read over it and edit it until it meets at least 85%. If you think your letter deserves at least 85%, you can move on to step 4, which is sending. So you're going to go to this link, govapps.gov.california.gov. Lots of govs in this website. And once it loads, you are going to, you'll see that here is the office of the governor, his information. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on have a comment, put in your first name or last name, your LPS email address, and then your subject is going to be fire prevention/fighting. Then you're going to click continue. After pressing continue, you are going to copy and paste your entire email from this step. So all of this that you wrote in, obviously not the template, but your own letter, you're going to copy it and then paste it into here. And once you do that, you're going to take a screenshot. If you're not sure how to take a screenshot, message me and let me know. And then you're going to press send message. You're going to insert your screenshot here. And that's it for sending your letter. If you're nervous about sending your letter, if you want someone to look over your letter before you send it, please just reach out to me. I also have office hours on Friday at 2:30. So if you want to show up to office hours, get some edits on your letter before you send it, that's okay too, and I'd be happy to do that. After that, you're going to evaluate the lesson and turn it in, and then you're done. You sent a letter to the governor. You are working on changing California for the better, and you are also working to get good grades. So I will see you in class. Let me know if you have any questions.